Your voice is your most powerful tool. It has the power to inspire, to move, and to captivate. But what if you could unlock even more power within your voice? What if you could command attention with every word you speak? It's time to unleash the full potential of your voice. It's time to master the art of deep voice acting. A deeper voice, whatever sex you are, can be a very powerful tool to help gain respect and authority with others. But all this is not just about having a deeper, more resonant voice. It's about knowing how to use it to its fullest potential. First things first, technique is key. You need to learn how to control your breath, how to modulate your tone, and how to project your voice. As a deep voice actor, learning how to control your breath, to modulate your tone and project your voice are critical skills that you need to master. So, first of all, let's discuss breath control. Now, breathing control is one of the most important techniques that a voice actor must learn. Proper breathing techniques allow you to produce a deep and resonant voice. Diaphragmatic breathing is a technique that can help you achieve this. This involves breathing using the diaphragm rather than the chest, which allows you to control the airflow more effectively. By doing this, you can also increase the length of your breath and sustain your voice for longer periods of time. Secondly, tone modulation. Voice actors must have the ability to modulate their tone. The tone of your voice can, of course, convey various emotions: happiness, sadness, anger, excitement. As a deep voice actor, it's important to experiment with different pitches and find the right balance between sounding natural and maintaining a deep voice. By doing so, you can convey a wide range of emotions with your voice. Thirdly, voice projection. In voice acting, projection effectively refers to the ability to make your voice heard clearly and distinctly from a distance. But it also helps underline the particular emotions you're trying to convey too. Proper breathing techniques can help you project your voice more effectively, but it's also important to use your diaphragm, your mouth and lips, tongue, shape your voice and create clear enunciation. Posture is also very important. The way you hold your body also affects your voice. Poor posture can cause your voice to sound weak and unconfident. On the other hand, standing tall with an open chest, relaxed shoulders can help to produce a deep, rich tone. You should be also aware of any tensions in your neck, your jaw, and tongue. This can restrict airflow and affect your voice's clarity. Now, sometimes a deeper voice can sound a little muffled to other people because you're in the lower registers virtually all the time, and so you must watch your articulation and clarity. Clear articulation, absolutely crucial for effective communication. You've got to make sure your words are easy to understand, especially when you're speaking in a lower register. You have to be very mindful of diction, the way you pronounce consonants and vowels. For example, you may want to exaggerate some consonants, and also don't forget the plosive sounds that have to be clear, such as t, d, and k, to add more depth, clarity to your voice. Pitch variation's important too. Deep voice acting doesn't mean you should always speak in a low monotone. A good voice actor needs to be able to modulate their voice to convey different emotions and characters. Therefore, it's important to practice your pitch range and determine the pitch where going any deeper sounds unnatural. You can experiment with different pitches to find what works for your voice and the character you're trying to portray. And, of course, emotions. It's crucial to channel your emotions through your voice when voice acting. The ability to convey a character's emotions is what separates a good voice actor from a great one. As a deep voice actor, you have the potential to convey powerful emotions with your voice. Therefore, it's important to understand the character's emotions and motivations. Why are they doing what they're doing at that point? And use your voice to bring those emotions to life. By mastering these key techniques, you can become a confident and effective deep voice actor. Remember, the key is to practice consistently and have fun exploring your voice's full potential. By following the right training and exercises, you could really see noticeable changes in the depth of your voice within as little as a few days. With hundreds of reviews and amazing feedback from our students who've taken our Develop a Deeper, Sexy and Charismatic Voice course, which is an easy-to-follow, video-based, step-by-step plan for a richer, more attractive and resonant speaking voice that people will love to listen to. Now you can start this course right now and watch free preview chapters by clicking the link somewhere around this video. Remember, your voice is your most powerful tool. Use it wisely and use it well. With the right techniques, the right mindset, and the right emotions, you can become a master of deep voice acting. So go ahead, unleash the power of your voice, become a master of deep voice acting, and make your mark on the world. Thank you for watching.